Hi, are you looking for a new way of income in photography? Create high-quality iris pictures and transform them into unique pieces of art. Hi, my name is Eli and I was the first professional iris photographer in Switzerland. In the last 2 years, I built my own iris photography business here in Bern. Iris photography is relatively new and booming. There are already companies building national and international iris studio networks in order to cover the demand. But what is it? The simplified idea is to take a picture of the iris of a person, put it on a black or white background and create individual artworks for your customers. There are 8 billion people in this world, but every eye is unique. This uniqueness and natural beauty of everyone's eye not only offers a huge possible target group, but mainly makes these images perfect gifts for partners and even alternative family portraits. Creating high-quality iris pictures doesn't mean you need an overly fancy gear or invest in huge sums into a studio. As an existing photographer, you might even already have most of the necessary materials. It's more about the technique and knowledge. In my online course, I offer you all the knowledge that I worked for very hard during the last 2 years. Show you exactly what gear I need, how and why I shoot the way I do, what details to look for during the shooting, how to create artworks in post-production, and what a customer experience looks like in my business. Now you might think it's easy to get good pictures of the iris. So did I. But I'm convinced and speaking out of experience that I can save you lots and lots of time and hustle with this course. Don't make the same mistakes. Streamline your learning process, take advantage of my experience and learn how to create high quality iris images and happy customers. So if you want to find out more about iris photography and my online video course, check out my website at learnirisphotography.com or simply click on the button below and see you on the other side.